that
we will take part
we will take part
in the CBSE North Zone 1
in the CBSE North Zone 1
Handball Championship
Handball Championship
2022
2022
with the peace in the true spirit of
sportsmanship
for the honor of our country
for the honor of our country
and glory of sports.
and glory of sports.
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
करने के लिए कि मैं कैसे बखान करूं इनकी सुंदरता का कि कितने सुंदर तरीके से आज जागृति ग्राउंड लग रहा है.
Our comprehensive march past this. All of you are kindly requested to stay here for the oath. The captains of Dr. K. Modi Global School are requested to please come on this.
पहली बार पता चला जब
ईशु भैया
प्रैक्टिस सामान भैया ना